Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I do my nails at home. I find it so much easier, not really quick because obviously it's quicker going to the nail shop, but just cheaper, and it's very easy and simple to do. So if you want to see, these are the nails I've got. Can you see they're nude? They are my nude nails. I love them for every day, especially going to work. Not every time you want those bright, vibrant nails. They're good to have, but sometimes it's nice to have a bit of a neutral. I love this colour. I think it does complement my skin tone. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So these are the products you will need to do your nude nails. So I've already sized my nails and I'm just going to get the cuticle stick and just carefully push down my cuticles. Now I'm just going to use my nail file and file down each nail just to give it a bit of a rough texture. So this is a new nail glue I'm using, and I just make sure I have enough glue on the nail, and then I'm just going to slide it in. I'm not going to place it on top. I'm going to slide it in. That's the best way to get a more natural looking fake nail look, where it looks more realistic. So this is the nail cutter I'll be using. Just put a clip of the picture so you can see what it looks like, because I know it's in the next clip you won't see it clearly. So I just put the nail just through the hole, squeeze the handle together, and it just clicks off. It's just like a normal nail clipper, but it's just in a different way. You just push the nail through the hole, so it just makes it easier. So I'm just gonna get the nail file and just smooth around the edges where I just cut so it's not sharp. So this is the nude nail polish I've gone for. Any nude will do. And you just put that on your nail very carefully, and make sure you do two coats. And then it just goes in the lamp for a further 5 minutes. And then I'm just doing the thumb. And now I'm just using my top coat, and I just put one layer on each finger, and then I'll just put it under the light again for 5 minutes. And this is the final look. So these are my nude nails. I really like them. I think they're really good for everyday use, going to work and everything back and forth. But I do love these nails, just the colour, everything. So I hope you did enjoy that video and got something out of it. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.